Thank you for
I'm
asking.
good.
And how are you?
I'm also doing great. Actually, today is my week off, so we suddenly planned for 11, right?
Yeah,
Okay, okay, great, no problem. So I just prepared and then got ready for this meeting.
yeah. Thank you so much for giving your time and
No,
rescheduling it because I have some other meeting at 11:30.
okay,
So
no problem. It's my pleasure having you on a video call for practicing English.
yeah,
Actually,
thank you. So can you please introduce yourself?
okay, sure. So my name is Nitish Patil. I belong to Madhya Pradesh, Khandwa district, and I studied from Indore city, which is the cleanest city of India. I worked in many different cities, but from the last 1.5 year, I have shifted to Bangalore,
Okay.
and I'm working in edtech industry here. Right. Okay. And what about you? Please introduce yourself because I just came
Yeah.
across your channel and thought I should drop a mail. Let's see, I get a response or not. Right. So next
Yeah.
day morning, I got a response, and I thought it will work. Okay.
Okay, okay. I'm Priya. I'm homemaker. Uh, I have one son, and in my free time, I play with him. If you talk about my qualification, I am master's in law, and I love gardening. This much I can tell you about myself.
Perfect, perfect. So where do you belong? Like I'm in Bangalore, so you are
Yeah,
from
yeah. I'm in
Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh.
currently. I'm in Delhi NCR, and I basically belong from Bihar.
Bihar. Okay, great. Before Bangalore, I was in Noida for the last 6 months in 2022.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So where you were posted in Noida?
Noida, I was in Sector 62. I joined a startup company in AdTech. We used to provide experiential learning to the kids. So I worked almost 6 months there, and then I moved to Bangalore.
Okay, very nice. So how is the place? Which place is much better, Noida or Bangalore?
Uh, because for me, weather is more important and also the convenience and lifestyle. So personally, from my side, I lived in Madhya Pradesh for a long time, like in Indore city and Jabalpur. So that was like my home, right? But then I moved to Noida, so it was very new experiences for me. So I spent 3 to 4 months. That was very close to natural places like Uttarakhand, Himachal. That's why I also thought to shift there, so I can visit every month to explore nature. Right.
Yeah.
But then suddenly I got a better opportunity for in Bangalore, so I shifted to Bangalore. So for according to me, since last 1.5 year I'm living in Bangalore, so the weather is very cool and pleasant. So I like the Bangalore in terms of weather, but both the cities have a traffic issues and the crowdy places and all. So if I choose, then Bangalore is okay for me. But if I consider distance from home or like traveling to home, that I am not able to visit home uh, in a time to time. But when I was in Delhi, so I can easily reach my home in one day. But from
Yeah,
Bangalore,
yeah,
I
yeah.
need to plan before 15 days or 30 days. Then I am able to visit home.
Yeah.
That is the main issue.
Every place has certain advantage and disadvantage.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I totally understand. My whole upbringing has been happened from MP, Singrauli, if you know the place.
Singrauli,
Singrauli.
Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, I know about that place.
Until my 10th class, I was there. And then my father shifted to Chhattisgarh. Then we moved Chhattisgarh. Then I worked in Delhi. And
Oh,
then I got married and I shifted here, Delhi.
okay, perfect, perfect. So, how did you came across this? Came this idea in your mind that you should start teaching or interacting with the youth who wants to learn English, or you thought that I should also improve English, or what was your thoughts behind this idea? Like,
Yeah, basically, I wanted to improve my language. So, Actually, I have responsibility of taking care of my son, so I have abundance of time to utilize it. So I thought to improve my language. So I'm giving my 110% to improve it, so that when I will go out for work, when he will grow up, when I will go out, so I will get improve my language. Yeah.
You want to give him a good environment for English,
Him
right?
and for myself also, because when he will grown up, then I will restart my work.
Okay, perfect. After a few years, you want to restart your
Yeah,
work, or you are finding some niche to work in a particular industry, right?
yeah, yeah,
Right now, you are exploring and learning new things.
yeah,
That's a
yeah,
perfect idea.
yeah. That's
Okay,
the
okay,
reason I'm doing it.
okay.
So,
So, whenever you spend your time with your son, what activities you do? Like you teach him, or you spend time him.
I usually talk with him. You know, his nowadays kids are very much smarter than us. They know many more things better
Then
than us.
better than
He
us. Yeah.
teaches me, Mama, this is not this, this is that thing. He is very small. He is 4 years old. And
Okay.
he speaks in English because he always watch animated cartoon and all. So I get a company of him to talk, and really, this phase of motherhood is really very special. So yeah, we are enjoying talking and learning something new every day
Okay. Perfect.
and all.
I
And
think
able to,
you started making videos few months ago, right?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
perfect. So,
end of March maybe, end of March.
end of March, like around 4 to 5 months. Perfect. Perfect. I just came across your channel yesterday night, I guess. Right. I was trying to find and how I can improve my professional English, how I can remove my grammatical errors in communication. Basically, I am good in reading and speaking. You can say reading and understanding, not in
Yeah,
speaking. So whenever I try to speak English now, I usually do a grammatical mistake a lot. It is also I know, and most of the time, most of the time I watch videos in English only, either in YouTube, either I
me too,
learn
me
about
too.
finance,
I also do the same.
either I learn about finance or anything, because I keen to learn about finance. I follow YouTube for learning finance, right? So I usually learn and understand in English only. Even in someone is speaking in British English or American English, I understand easily what he is about talking or what he is explaining. But when it comes to my time to explain my thoughts in English now, then I lack of certain fluency and vocabulary, especially, and practice, because I'm not able to do a lot of practice in speaking with my colleagues or friends or family
Yeah,
members. This is the main issue which I am facing right now. So
yeah,
how did you manage these things? Because when you started learning, I am sure you born and brought up in Singrauli, then moved to Delhi and Chhattisgarh. So you might be not fluent in English from the starting, right? So
yeah.
then you started learning from the basics or interacted with your colleagues, friends, family members.
You know,
How
personally, what
journey
I
went?
feel, yeah,
Yes.
you know, personally, what I think that it is our mindset. We think that uh, I did my studies from English medium, but thought was in my mind that I cannot speak English. I never tried to, but when that thought came in my mind that no, I have to speak, and I did not bother that what others will think, what this platform, social people platform, how they will criticize me, they will think about me. Then when I evade these things, then I started speaking. You know, you are speaking very well. You are, but that lack of confidence, lack of acceptance of yourself. We do not accept ourselves the way we are. That is the main problem. You are speaking very well, you are understanding whatever I'm saying, but self acceptance is not there. That yes, I'm speaking, and the person in front of me can understand me. The purpose of speaking this language is only to communicate. If you can communicate your thought process, whatever you have intention and thoughts, if you are able to communicate it, that is sufficient. Don't burden yourself. And I did the same thing, you know.
I completely agree that there is a lack of acceptance, right? Because
Yeah,
I'm not accepting that I am speaking and trying well, but I'm not making it a habit of speaking regularly, right? That's the main
yeah,
issue, I guess. From you, they didn't understand anything, right? So that's when I thought ki actually I should matlab, get more command on English so that I can interact with anyone because that is
yes.
what required today. We know
Yeah,
Hindi, we
there's
respect
nothing
Hindi, but
wrong
also we
in,
should learn English.
yeah, yeah. There's nothing wrong in improving it. But whatever you are speaking, just accept that I'm speaking very well. Don't bother about what others think, what other will think about you.